Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your username on Reddit. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on Reddit application, firstly open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Reddit and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of Reddit. Click on pen icon at the top right corner of the screen and among the popped up options tap on change username. On the next page, edit your username and click on next. Tap on save username and that's how you will be able to change your username on Reddit quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.